Good Saturday morning, everybody. Welcome to 256 Garage. We're going to give you a Saturday walk around the shop, show you what we got done, what we got coming up next week, and try to give someone a chance to win one of these free hats. Stay tuned. We're going to start right over here on the old F1 48. Got a few little spots worked right here. Got the fender just about ready for some primer. Got the hood ready for final sand and paint. Been working on the F100 over here. Got the roof stripped, rust mortared, stripped, epoxy primed, worked, and now primed, ready for a block. So we'll block it down and put another coat of primer on it, and it'll be ready for prep on the roof. Like a few spots here on the back of the cab, you can see, still working on them. But I believe we get the back of the cab worked, primed. I'm thinking done got the cowl, not 100% sure. But as soon as we get that, the cab will be ready to paint. The door should be ready to paint, and the hood is ready to paint. The bed got it down for final blocking too, I believe also. Still working on the tailgate. Had a few spots on it, got it coming along. Hopefully it'll be in prime next week. Still haven't got started on the old Bellarro yet. If everybody wonders why we call it a Bellarro. Mustang got the fender in prime, ready for paint for it. Hopefully get it prepped, get it in the booth pretty soon. Little, I believe it's Colorado. Oh my goodness, that's a Nissan. Sorry Nissan fans, sorry Colorado fans. I was thinking we had a Colorado around here somewhere, but I may be wrong. Anyway, got it coming along. Started working on the front end, got the fender fit. Started with the header panel, getting everything straight there. Coming out real nice. Got a little spot on the door. Why I'm thinking Colorado, I don't know where that come from. F350 hood, got it painted, getting it blocked down for buffing. Maverick in here. I think Drake's just doing a little cleaning on it. It was supposed to be car show tonight. Not sure. The rain's coming in. The Renfro rod run, I believe, was today. Weather's not looking good for any car shows. Altima here. I believe we repaired the rocker. Got the rocker repaired on it. Got it painted. Got it back together. Chevrolet parts truck here. I believe got somebody wanting a motor, so pulled out. Well, hadn't pulled it out yet. Started getting the motor ready to come out. I think it's just about ready to set out. Not 100% sure. The Nissan still waiting on the airbag module. As soon as the airbag module comes in, we'll get it back in, get the airbag stuff on it. The little Honda Accord down there also waiting on the module for it. When the module comes in, we'll get the curtain bags in it. Let's see here. We got the front end parts off our burnt F-150 and got them put on the F-150 out there. I don't know if we'll be able to see it from here, but we'll kind of zoom in on it the best we can. Right out there it is. Still got to put the headlights in it. We're going to try to put the wheels and tires off this one onto it. Tahoe, I believe, is for sale. Got to do some work on that Altima there. Got the sign deck fitting, or hatch. We still got to do a little pulling on it. Get it pulled out, ready for some paint pretty soon, hopefully. Got the tail light piece painted on the wagon, so we should be putting the tail light in it and getting it ready to deliver. And we did get a starter put on the race car. Crunk it up, let it sit and run for a while. So hopefully we get it on the lift next. Get the rear end of the line, the front end of the line, and it'll just about be ready to make a pass. Let's see, let's walk in here to the other side. I believe the F350 is in it, in the booth. Edwin's been working on the Comet with the Voodoo, working on the wiring, getting computer mounted and stuff like that. It's coming along. Hopefully soon we'll be ready to bust this off. Torino I'm gonna try to take a few days here, hope a Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and get these floor pans put in. That's my plan. You know how plans go. Trans Am's in here just living it up with the T-tops out. It's hard to beat a T-top Trans Am in. Anyway, let's go in here in the booth, check out the F350. Got some red paint on it. There it is, it's shining up. Slicked out. Got a few little spots I need to color, sand, and buff on it. But it's gonna be a pretty truck when it's all finished up. Turning out real nice. Like I said, we got a few, got that F-150 we got to finish up. I think Copart, I'm pretty sure, are the delivery people for Copart, which was Copart. Bent the drive shaft. I don't know if they done it on the rollback or if they done it with the forklift when they move them around in big lifts, if you ain't never seen that. But anyway, we've got one out of our old blue one around here somewhere. We got to round it up. First of all, we got the front end on it, and then the rack was broke, so we had to pull the rack off one put on it. Then it didn't have no brakes. Alan got the brakes up on it yesterday, so hopefully we can find the drive shaft, get the drive shaft in it, and it'll be ready to go. But to get inspected anyway. But a lot of work to do, a lot of work going on, a lot of work done. It's been a pretty good week. Rainy today, as you can see. Like I said, it's not a good sign for the car shows. But watch this video, please share, like, subscribe, make a comment, and we'll put you in a drawing for a free hat. It probably won't be the hat like this, and it'll probably be the new and be red and white and the new logo across the front. But just comment below. You don't have to comment hat or nothing like that. But if you do comment hat, we'll put you down for 2 chances. If you get a comment, just comment, and that'll get you in for 1 chance. But if you comment with a free hat also, we'll put you in for 2 chances. But check us out, 256 Garage.